In the last video of the house project, we're going to create a plotting sheet. In the project browser, there's a folder for sheets. There's no sheets yet, so we have to right click on that sheet and create a new sheet. And here you can pick up the sheet size. The one available is 30 by 42 inches. If you need more sizes, you can load them. Click on load button, go to title blocks to load more sizes. Or we're going to use this one for the project. Click OK to start a new sheet. It's 30 by 42 inches. And the next step, I open up the browser, see that there's sheet A101 available. We're going to change the name. Right click on this particular sheet and rename it. We keep the number the A101, but we change the name to presentation. Hit OK. Now it's called a presentation, and also it shows the name of the sheet or the joint presentation as well. To add any particular views to this plotting sheet, you need to drag and drop the view from the project browser to the sheet. So let's see, for example, I want to add 01 lower level floor plan. So I locate 01 lower level in the floor plans, pick it up, hold on left, and drag and drop it on this sheet. And there's a boundary around this particular view. This is called a crop region. Compared to the sheet and the view, its crop region is too big. We're going to trim it. To trim it, we need to activate the view or the particular view. To do that, we need to right click on this floor plan and click on activate view. Now we're working inside of this particular view now. And first we have to show the crop region. There's a button for that at the lower left corner. The one with the light bulb. Now the region shows up. You can pick up the crop region and resize it to make it just fit the floor plan. Okay, then we can turn the crop region off so it won't show on the drawing. And we can now, there's another button similar left to the show or hide crop region. It's got a crop or not. You can try that. So you can use the crop region to really crop or highlight. We're going to use that to crop. So that's what we need. After you finish editing all the crop region, you right click on that view again and deactivate view. Or go back to the plotting sheet as a whole. Now you can pick up this view and move it to a desired place. And next we need to change the view label. To change the view label, first you have to deselect, make sure, and then pick up the label only, not the view but the label only. Then press and hold on the left key to move it. And also you can shorten the line for the view label, but to shorten it you have to pick up the view this time. Then there's two handles available. You can move one or either one to change the length. Now we have a good view. You can follow the same steps to add more views. At the end of the project and the plotting sheet or presentation sheet, you should have entry level floor plan, first level or lower level floor plan, east elevation, north elevation, section view, door schedule and the window schedule. And here is the whole project.